Happy Friday, everybody. I'm Galaxia Martin, the founder and CEO of The Hack Ninja. This premiere video you're about to see is a preview of our cybersecurity education program. Jam-packed with 39 modules and soon to be more throughout the year. You're going to be able to learn a lot about cybersecurity from a masterclass kind of perspective and really get an idea of what things might be missing in your practice in cybersecurity, or if you're looking for a change in career, improving your skills on some know-alls, this is really the course for you. Outside of that, in the program, we have a community forum and a networking group as well. So if you're a member, you get access to those things. If you just want the course, unfortunately, you don't get access to those things, but I highly recommend it. This is an early adoption pricing. This first pricing set for $299.99 is for an early access pass, but after March 23rd, the pricing is going to go up. So go ahead and pre-order, click on the link in the description box below, and I hope you guys enjoy this premiere. All right, I'll catch you later.
The Hack Ninja Cybersecurity Education Program empowers individuals and organizations to acquire robust cybersecurity knowledge and skills without the high costs and time commitments typically associated with traditional education and consulting services. The Hack Ninja's Cybersecurity Education Program emphasizes practical understanding and real-world application, making it an invaluable resource in today's digital landscape. As a certified professional recognized by the EC Council, I am actively mentoring emerging professionals, sharing my knowledge and experiences to inspire the next generation of cybersecurity leaders. In addition to my hands-on experience, I am a member of the National Society of Leadership and Success, reflecting my commitment to personal and professional development. In my experience being a cybersecurity expert, I designed my own proprietary method and reporting for penetration testing and ethical hacking engagements within the Hack Ninja. I designed the Hack Ninja Cybersecurity Education Program based on my 17+ years experience in cybersecurity. The education program helps close some gaps that individuals, business owners, tech people, the non-tech people miss or just don't know when it comes to cybersecurity. The goal is to help you reduce your threat landscape and empower you to be better, whether that's better technologies or skills or knowledge in cybersecurity. Besides that, our program doesn't just stop with e-learning. We will be introducing anywhere from 5 to 10 modules to the program each year, as well as offering question and answer sessions through webinars and through our community forum, plus offering a networking group depending on what membership you sign up with. We want to continue to educate you based on what we're learning and what we're experiencing throughout our work that we're doing here at the Hack Ninja. So enough about our storyline. Let's get into what the Hack Ninja's Cybersecurity Education Program is all about. I hope you enjoy the modules as much as I did making them. I'll see you again in the later modules.
All right, stay tuned. We are about to go over the Hack Ninja's Cybersecurity Education Program, topics and modules. Make sure you pre-order today. The early access pricing will no longer be available on March 23rd. Let's get started.
The first topic is Understanding Cybersecurity Threats and Compliance. It includes the following modules. Module 1, Understanding General Cyber Threats. Module 2, Best Practices You Need to Know About Cybersecurity. And Module 3, National Cybersecurity Act. How does this impact you? The second topic is Insurance, Data Protection, and more. It includes the following modules. Module 4, Cybersecurity Insurance and Data Protection. Module 5, What If I Don't Have Cybersecurity Insurance? And Module 6, Data Protection. The third topic is the depths of the common findings. It includes the following modules. Module 7, what are the common things that the Hack Ninja finds in hacking? Module 8, details about findings in a vulnerability assessment. Module 9, details about findings in a penetration test. And Module 10, understand how hackers bypass your defenses. The fourth topic is all the risks to sort through. It includes the following modules. Module 11, all about data. Module 12, SaaS vulnerabilities and how to audit them. Module 13, data risk assessments. And Module 14, mergers and acquisitions. The fifth topic is ishing. It includes the following modules. Module 15, ishings coming to life, covering phishing, smishing, and vishing. Module 16, phishing. Module 17, smishing. And Module 18, vishing. The sixth topic is unlocking the secrets of physical security. It includes the following modules. Module 19, physical security issues overview. Module 20, your home office, cracking easily because of one common issue. Module 21, work office, how security isn't always secure. And Module 22, traveling with your identity as the passenger. The seventh topic is the art of the darkness in hacking. It includes the following modules. Module 23, the art of hacking systems. Module 24, SALT, hash, SSO, and MFA all have in common, which is bypassing. Module 25, overcoming restrictions imposed by ISPs or SaaS solutions for cybersecurity testing. And Module 26, how are humans at risk? The eighth topic is artificial intelligence, the good, bad, and the scary. It includes the following modules. Module 27, what is AI? Module 28, the misuse and manipulation of AI. Module 29, AI-powered hacking tools and techniques. And Module 30, the future of cybersecurity in the age of AI. The ninth topic is data governance. It includes the following modules. Module 31, protecting your business reputation to drive revenue. Module 32, data lifecycle part 1. Module 33, data lifecycle part 2. And Module 34, data quality and unknown risks. The 10th topic is introduction to ethical hacking tools. It includes the following modules. Module 35, tool overview. Module 36, Flipper, how Flipper Zero can bypass physical security. And Module 37, most common tools used in hacking. The 11th topic is for annual members only, and that is the bonus topics. It includes the following modules. Module 38, how to grow your career in cybersecurity. And Module 39, quantum computing and cyber threats. A sneak peek on the topic based on an upcoming book release by Galaxia Martin in 2025.
Module 4, Cybersecurity Insurance and Data Protection. As cyber threats continue to evolve and proliferate, the need for robust cybersecurity measures and insurance has never been more critical. Cybersecurity insurance serves as a safety net for organizations. SaaS vulnerabilities and how to audit them. Software as a service, SaaS applications have become essential for businesses, offering flexibility and scalability. Understand how hackers bypass your defenses. This module examines the tactics hackers use to bypass security measures, highlights the vulnerabilities that enable these attacks, and offers actionable strategies organizations can implement to enhance their security posture. As technology evolves, so do the methods employed by hackers to exploit weaknesses in security systems. These advancements make it increasingly challenging for organizations to stay ahead in protecting sensitive data and ensuring operational integrity.
Module 14, Mergers and Acquisitions, or M&A. Mergers and acquisitions are pivotal in any business's life cycle. While they offer opportunities for expansion, efficiency gains, and growth, they also introduce new risks, particularly in the realm of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity has evolved into a critical concern during M&A processes, as the interconnectedness of digital systems means that one company's vulnerabilities can have widespread implications for both parties involved.
In this module, it is time to get to know the realm of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI has been introduced initially as a sometime fantasy and is now a part of the most vital element of our modern life. From movie recommendations, the automation of cognitive processes, to lots of other aspects of our society and existence, AI is increasingly becoming part of our lives. Yet in the same vein as it has numerous obvious advantages, AI has many weaknesses which must not be overlooked.
Tool overview. Ethical hacking plays a pivotal role in identifying vulnerabilities and strengthening the security of systems and networks. By leveraging a wide range of tools and techniques, ethical hackers perform detailed assessments to uncover weaknesses before malicious actors can exploit them. In this module, we will give an in-depth look at some of the most widely used tools across various domains of ethical hacking, their purposes, and applications. The tools that we will discuss in this module are just a list of a few common tools. There are hundreds of tools available depending on what aspect of ethical hacking you are focusing on.
This bonus material is designed to help people that are looking to grow in cybersecurity. Maybe you're not in cybersecurity, but you want a career in it. I get this question asked of me a lot. I had a business analyst ask me how they can become a security analyst. It's definitely possible. For my journey as a woman in cybersecurity, there are not many of us, especially as technical that I am, as well as business savvy too. There are not many women in this space, so I worked incredibly hard, built a name for myself, and showed my leaders I was meant for this. I was promoted many times throughout my career, from manager to vice president, all in the technology space. Where it all began really was with my father and mother. My dad was heavy in technology when I was younger, so I do attribute a lot of my know-it-all because of him. I've always been a tinker anyway. Anyway, my mother was a woman with fierce ambitions and never took no for an answer. I think the combination of the two molded me into this tenacious individual that just continues to work hard at what I love. I'm a firm believer that if you want something in this life, anything is achievable within reason. And sometimes the impossible is achievable. It just depends on how you can get there. So when it comes to cybersecurity, there's a lot of things you can do to get into this space. One of the big things that you learn in the course is networking. Networking is huge. You can't just say, oh, I want to know somebody and get in. You have to learn and earn the skills as well. Within the Hack Ninjas cybersecurity education program, you have access to a network of people in business. To me, it is important to have somebody in your life that can mentor you, and hopefully you find your connection here to help you on your own path. The next topic in the bonus material is about the book that I'm writing on quantum computing and cybersecurity. The book is about the threats related to quantum computing and how businesses are really going to be vulnerable, like extremely vulnerable. So I'm trying to get ahead of these technologies that are coming out because I've kind of always done that in my life, where if I'm really passionate about something, I want to get ahead of it and really learn as much as I can. I think it offers some ability of enlightenment to get someone else's perspective, and you do what you want with it. The book will be available at the end of the year, but in the meantime, I will be releasing some ebooks throughout the year too. Let's get into the bonus material. All right, we are going to have a quick overview of the e-learning platform, which is hosted on Thinkific. There is some significant governance on this platform, so don't be surprised when it makes you do those challenging tests of proving you are a human. The platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate. It's your traditional e-learning modules where you can navigate to topic and modules. There are prerequisites, though. You cannot skip topics. You cannot skip modules. You cannot fail the quizzes. We didn't make the quizzes that challenging for you yet. So if you're taking a quiz and you don't reach 80% in a minimum, you have to retake the quiz. Also, at the end of this education program, you do get a certificate with your name, date on it, and it doesn't expire. At some firms, you may be able to use this as continuing education hours. However, at the Hack Ninja, we are in the planning stages of getting our program as an approved program for more organizations to recognize our program for continuing education hours for professional development. The community forum is designed for memberships that have it included, such as early access membership, soul membership, and business membership. In this community forum, you can introduce yourself, you can build a network from our network, see what events we are hosting or what events we are recommending from our partners. Also, this is where you can ask your questions. It is important to know that not all questions can or will be answered, but we will try to address many. We will also be building FAQs, so you have a knowledge base to review anything that might have been previously asked and addressed. We do, however, give you an opportunity to ask us questions in our regular webinars that we will be hosting regularly. For business memberships, we offer additional benefits, but we do have a minimum purchase requirement starting at 50 enrollments. The business membership is available per request, so email us at contact@thehackninja.com for further information. That is the platform and the program. It has been super fun on dedicating my time on this program, and I look forward to seeing you in the training, on our webinars, in our community, and especially at events. Until we meet again, take care.